My name's Todd, Zen and spiritual practitioner for well over 40 years. My goal is to share this journey with others and help others find the best version of themselves and live an extraordinary life. Please visit toddzen.com for more. Thank you.